A whiff of scandal is brewing at the Nairobi County government over an alleged planned payment of 2 billion shillings to a controversial selected 15 law firms as pending bills. In a lawsuit filed by Clinton Mwale against the Nairobi County government as first respondent, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja as the second respondent, and Law Society of Kenya as an interested party. Today, High Court Judge L.N. Mugambi has issued directing all the defendants to be served in 7 days. I have read the application dated 20th, 2023 together with the certificate of urgency and do hereby direct that I decline all the ex parte orders sought. The application be served within 7 days. The order read in part. Mwale filed the suit under the certificate of urgency through the Mwale and Bieta advocates. The planned controversial payment, according to court documents, is set to be made before the end of this financial year, which is just 8 days shy before it lapses. According to documents filed in court, Sakaja's administration owes various law firms more than 21 billion shillings as pending bills as of January 2023. While questioning the modalities used to identify the law firms to be paid, the petitioner says that he has since learned the National Treasury is in the process of disbursing money to offset pending bills to Nairobi County and that a plot has been hatched to selectively pay a few law firms. Mwale claims the law firms were handpicked through discrimination, considering other firms numbering to 300 have equally provided legal services to the county. The applicant has since learned that the National Treasury is in the process of disbursing some funds to the first respondent, Nairobi County government, for the purposes of sorting pending bills, and the applicant has further learned that the first respondent has approved to pay around Kenya shillings 2 billion to less than 15 law firms, the document filed in court says. According to documents filed in court, the profiled law firms cited as among those to be paid include Makala Theory and Company Advocates 60 million Kenya shillings, LN Nyaribo and Company 50 million shillings, Okach and Partners 70 million shillings, Okubasu Munene and Kazungu Advocates 30 million shillings, Gikunda Miriti and Company 67 million shillings, and Masire and Mogusu 27.5 million. Others include Ann Munene and Company, 34 million shillings, Koseo and Company Advocates, 43.8 million shillings, Roba and Associates, 51.8 million, Umi Bashir and Company Advocates, 32 million shillings, JW Washira Advocates, 58 million, Momanye and Associates, 91 million, Jamal Bek and Associates, 47 million, and Bespoke Insurance Brokers Limited, 28 million. Additionally, Osoro Onyego and Manyara Advocates 30 million shillings, Swanya and Company Advocates 2.2 million, Arati and Company 2.15 million, Keyo Advocates 20 million, Moronge Advocates 10 million, and Ojenda Company Advocates 5 million shillings. In March last year, the Nairobi County Assembly initiated probe into the controversial 595 million legal fees paid to several law firms at City Hall. The inquiry by the Nairobi County Assembly Public Accounts Committee follows an audit query by the Auditor General into the county's executive's legal fee expenditure. According to the audit report, the county government made large payments as legal fees to various firms that offered legal services to the county. However, the report said the county executive did not provide documents such as nature of disputes, approval for procurement of professional services records, record of service rendered, and contract agreement for audit review. The law firms include Munika and Company Advocates, Ataka Kimori and Akoth Advocates, Abdullahi and Company Advocates, Musyoki Mogaka and Company Advocates, Koseo and Company Advocates, Kwanga Mboya and Company Advocates, and Magoro and Company Advocates. In concurrent with the Auditor General, the Assembly directed that no further legal fee payments should be made until a comprehensive audit is done.